Have you ever felt like you're barking up the wrong tree? Well, in the bustling streets of India, it's more like chasing the wrong cow. Idioms have a unique flavor here, blending culture and language deliciously. Take a going bananas, for instance. In the heart of India, we'd say, going coconuts. Imagine the chaos of a monkey finding a coconut. That's the level of excitement we're talking about. English idioms get a tropical twist. Now, letting the cat out of the bag transforms intriguingly. Picture a bustling Indian marketplace. Secrets are more like letting a parrot out of the cage, spreading news far and wide. Ever heard of when pigs fly? In India, we'd say, when cows roam the skies. The imagery of a cow floating among clouds captures the impossibility with a dash of local humor. Spill the beans is another one. Here, it's spill the chai. The act of sharing secrets is as common as accidentally tipping over a cup of tea amidst an animated conversation. Bite the bullet takes on a brave new world. It's about eating the chili. It represents facing challenges head-on, with a fiery spirit that's as hot as the Indian summers. Cry over spilt milk doesn't resonate as much. Instead, we lament over spilt mango pulp. The preciousness of mangoes in Indian culture elevates the regret to a whole new level. Hit the nail on the head becomes strike the right chord. In a land where music permeates daily life, this idiom sings of precision and perfection, much like hitting the perfect note. Beat around the bush is akin to circling the tulsi plant. It's about avoiding the main point, much like how one respectfully walks around this sacred plant, avoiding direct contact. Piece of cake is deliciously transformed into a spoonful of ghee. It signifies ease and smoothness, embodying the rich, comforting essence of ghee in Indian cuisine. Break the ice becomes melt the ghee. Much like ghee turns liquid with warmth, initiating conversation or making friends is about warming up to each other in a cold room. Lastly, burning the midnight oil lights up as keeping the diya burning. In a country where diyas symbolize hope and persistence, working late into the night is about keeping the light of determination aflame. Each idiom, with its Indian twist, paints a vivid picture of life's colorful tapestry. It's a reminder of how language evolves, adapting flavors from around the world, making communication a rich, cultural feast. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more content like this.